spouse in it. I could put my house in it. You wanna bet, babe? I could put my house in it. Paper, I could put my spouse in it. I said, shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy.